Hey guys, an update on CAVA Group. So yeah, here you can see a box. I prepared boxes for the stocks that I want to cover during the day when I looked at the charts. So yeah, very solid. We are working on this third wave and we have almost reached this target box for this wave 3 in blue. We want to reach minimally $56.52. Of course, it can stretch always higher to these next levels or even higher if it's really, really bullish. And I just look at the broader consumer-based stocks, for example, American Eagle Outfitters, they beat their earnings very solidly and it's going well. If you look at what's still UPS, looking good. What else? There was one more. CanView has been strong lately. Okay, so also you had like news with Black Friday that the spending of the Americans was actually higher than last year, even if you calculate inflation with it. So let's see. Again, for CAVA, if we zoom out, we are at really the last fib level taken from this low to this high. Ideally, we don't lose this. If we do, then the door opens to take this low because we don't want to hit this level. Okay, once we do, this becomes too deep for a wave 2 in my opinion. Already this, you can see it has been taken so long, this wave 2. It started in November 2024. That's really like a long time. You can see it's almost like probably even longer in time than this whole move to the upside. That's not really so nice. It can happen, but ideally we don't go deeper because then it would be even better to take the low. And of course, like I said already before, watch the next earnings report. Okay, it's a decline from last quarter. Year on year, it's an increase. I checked it here already, but let me do it again. So Q4 we are expecting 266 million. Q4 last year was 227 million. So that's a year-on-year growth of 17% roughly. But then you can see if we just meet this estimate and we don't beat it, then we have a 17% year-on-year growth, and then you can see this year-on-year growth is declining. Okay, 17 would continue this trend to the downside even if it's green. Okay, so I think if this is gonna be bad, then we might just drop because it's not good. Okay, but if this beats somehow and it beats strong, and if we can then maybe like get back to 20%, it would be a good and a strong sign. Okay, and that's the only way I think, by looking at the financials, that it could boost the stock price towards these highs. Okay, just if we look at the chart, this looks really complete now, and I think if we lose this structure now, we have to take the low. Okay, so zooming in, we had this level here for potentially this 1 2 1 2 1 2 setup, but it just keeps going to the upside, so looking good. So what I'm tracking is a 1 2 1 2 1 2, maybe even more 1 2s here. Now a sharp move here to the upside, and I think we will grind a little bit more to finish this wave 3. So watch these levels, okay, for potential resistance. And then once we have topped, ideally first we reach this box, then I can add fib levels here for wave 4. Depending on where we top, I will have to adjust this. Okay, and then of course we want to see one more high if we can get it. Okay, we're still not there yet. Once we can do this, we have a first 5 wave move to the upside, and then it's important to hold support in the next correction, and I think by then also we will maybe approach this earnings date, because this will take time. And then if this earnings date and the earnings report is good, it could be maybe the start of a larger third wave to the upside, 4 or 5, and a larger one too. Okay, that's the idea. But again, we need to stay zoomed in with this one because it's such a fragile stock. But it would be nice, if we can get here, it would be a really good sign of strength already. And then if we can hold this fourth wave and a fifth wave, we would have a first 5-wave move to the upside. And that would be the first since we started this correction. Okay, you can see there was never any clear 5-wave move to the upside from any lows. Okay, so we will keep zoomed in here and try to work our way back to higher prices. For now it's doing good. This week has been nice, and I'll keep you posted. If you can get here and top, I'll update this box here and then I'll give you the levels to watch. That's CAVA. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.